Hey Glammies, welcome back to my channel. So as you all can see, I have a different filming area. I'm filming in my brand new master bathroom and I love it. You guys can see my bedroom behind me. So yeah, I thought for my first video in mine and my husband's new home, I would film my current nighttime skincare routine. These are products I've been using for at least a year and a half. I love them. You know, I tell others about them. I really have noticed a difference in my skin since starting to use them. So yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe down below. Make sure you like this video. And I would love to hear what your all's favorite nighttime skincare products are and how you use them, because, you know, some people use their products differently. So I would love to, you know, get that conversation going and see, you know, what that's all about. But yeah, so if you want to go ahead and see how I do my own personal nighttime skincare routine, just keep watching. Okay, so to start, I already took my makeup off. I just used a Walgreens brand makeup remover wipe. So I'm going to start with my cleanser. I use this cleanser day and night. This is the Neutrogena Ultra Gentle Daily Cleanser Foaming Formula. This is by, like I think I said, it's by Neutrogena. I love it. It gets foamy but not too foamy, and it doesn't strip my skin. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to speed through this part. Okay, so my face is clean. Now I'm going to pat it dry with a towel. And if you notice, I washed it down onto my neck because I do put makeup down onto my neck to make sure that my neck and my face is all one shade and one color and blended together nicely. Also, you want to pat dry your face. You don't want to ever wipe your face because it's really harsh on your skin. And if you notice, I was using circular motions and kind of going up like a point with my hands. Reason being, you always want to go up on your facial skin because I've heard and I've read, and even the women in my family say that if you pull down, causes wrinkles, pull up, helps your skin stay nice and tight. So now I'm going to go in with a toner because I did have makeup on today. So this is a Cucumber Herbal Alcohol-Free Toner. I love using an alcohol-free toner. Reason being, alcohol strips your skin of its natural oils, and that's just not a good thing. And, you know, since my skin is now more on the sensitive side in regards to skincare, I try to use as little alcohol on my face as possible, especially with the toner. And I'm just really getting into those areas where makeup can collect and cause blackheads. Now, I do have a clear sonic brush. I have the Mia Prima. Let me get it. Hold on. My son was playing with it. It's the Mia Prima. It's for sensitive skin. It has the pink bristles. I used this about 2 nights ago. I use my clear sonic brush about every 4 to 5 days. If I use it more, I get horrible hormonal breakouts right here on my chin. And I also get breakouts. See, I had a breakout right here on my nose. That is now healing. So next I'm going to go and I'm going to use my serums or my oils. I prefer oils. I do like serums, but I just prefer oils myself. The first one I'm going to use is the Kiehl's Clearly Corrective Dark Spot Solution. I started using this for my wedding to get rid of any dark spots, any discoloration on my face, just to help even my skin tone, and I loved it. So it's a squeezy little dropper tube, so I'm going to get some in my tube, and I'm going to use about 1, 2, 3. I'm going to use about 3 drops. Now, this you can use for a spot treatment or an all-over face treatment. I use it for all-over face, and I just press it into my skin. You want to press your product into your skin and kind of massage like this, because if you swipe it, it's not going to really soak into your pores, whereas if you press it, it's going to really fix my hair because it's falling down, it's really going to get into your pores. So after you use this, your skin's going to be nice and tacky. Next, I'm going to go in with the Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate. This stuff is the bomb. Literally, if your skin's looking dingy, dirty, tired, just like you're not looking your best, use this, and I promise you, one night, your skin will be totally different. Every single woman in my family, husband side, my side, I've told them about this. They use it, and they love it. So, again, dropper tube. I'm only going to use, this time I use about 4 drops. Now, I'm being very, I use these products sparingly because they are a little on the pricey side. I know the recovery oil runs about $75 to $100. The dark spot treatment, same, 75 to like 115. I have it on my hands. Same thing, I'm just going to press it into my skin. I am avoiding my eye area because one, my eyes are sensitive. And if I get it in my eyes start to water, and that's frustrating. And two, I have eye cream. Now, this stuff, I'm putting it down onto my neck as well as onto my décolleté because you can always tell someone's age when looking at the neck. Just neck and hands, ladies and gentlemen, neck and hands, okay? So you always put your sunscreen on the back of your hands, on your neck, your décolleté, put your night care on your face and your neck and your décolleté. And on my neck, I'm pressing up. Now, I'm also massaging my face because it helps stimulate collagen, especially around my eye area. So next, I'm going to go in with the Kiehl's Creamy Avocado Eye Treatment, or Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. This, I use it daytime, nighttime. I love it. It doesn't transfer when using it during the day. It doesn't transfer any of like my mascara or any eye product that I have, or make it bleed, make it look gross. So I just dab my finger in, and it's like a cream. It looks like guacamole. Get a good little amount, and I do 3 dots per side. And next, everyone says use your ring finger. My ring finger honestly like cramps up. So I just use my index finger very, very lightly. And I apply my eye cream the way that I apply concealer, in a triangle under your eye. Make sure to look up to really hug it in there. And now I lightly massage it. And then I press. And I bring it up into my eyebrow once I press it in to distribute the product. And I'm just really, I do this as like a little nighttime massage. Massage. Also, you're gonna notice my face is getting red. I did use not hot water, but I used warm water. Also, it's very hot upstairs, and we have all the windows open, and because downstairs it's cold, but upstairs it's hot. So I'm a little warm too, but it's okay. So there you go, eye cream on. Next and final step is face lotion. Now, you can use, if you tend to have more oily skin, you don't have to use such a heavy night cream. I have more dry skin, so I use a heavier night cream. I use the Ultra, again, Kiehl's. I use the Ultra Facial Deep Moisture Balm. I love this stuff. It is very thick, like super thick. And I use just the littlest bit. Rub it on my hands. And this I massage into the skin at first because it's so thick, and down again, down onto my neck. And then once it's all rubbed in, then I begin to press. And also during this step, I also take it in my eyebrows because I'm trying to grow my eyebrows. I mean, let's be real. I've been trying to grow my eyebrows out for like 3 years here, people, okay? And this is as much as I've gone. I've been thinking about doing microblading. I don't know though. Anyways, it's a totally different topic. So again, down onto my neck. And go up. Oh, I love this part. It's like a little at-home facial. And, final step. So, skincare is on. Final step is lips. Let me go get my chapstick and I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, I'm back. So, for this step, I'm using the Smith's Rosebud Salve. I had to open it because mine melted, and so it, like, melted it shut. So, I just take I just dip my finger in there. Just a little bit. It goes a long way. And there you have it. Nighttime skincare. Now, you go to bed, you wake up, your skin's glowing. It's just a great thing. So, yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I hope that you found these products, the information I gave you to be helpful. If you're wanting to try Kiehl's, I really am happy with the line. I really do love Kiehl's. I get all of my Kiehl's products at Nordstrom. So yeah, like I said, if you guys like this video, go ahead and like it, thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe as well as leave your comments down below, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!